Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on Xbox. While Genshin Impact isn't directly on Xbox, you can still enjoy it using cloud gaming. This method involves accessing specific streaming platforms through your console's web browser. It's a clever workaround that lets you experience the vast world of Teyvat right from your Xbox, bringing the adventure to your big screen. Let's dive into the details of how to set this up. Cloud gaming is the key to playing Genshin Impact on your Xbox. Essentially, the game runs on a powerful computer elsewhere, and the video feed is streamed to your console. For a smooth experience, we recommend an internet connection of at least 25 megabits per second. You'll also need an active subscription to a cloud gaming service that supports Genshin Impact. This ensures minimal lag and a more enjoyable gameplay session. Several cloud gaming platforms support Genshin Impact, making them ideal for Xbox play. GeForce Now, for example, lets you stream the game if you own it on PC. Another excellent option is Boosteroid, which provides direct access to Genshin Impact through its service. Both of these platforms can be easily accessed by simply opening the Microsoft Edge browser on your Xbox console, giving you flexibility in your choice. Setting up is straightforward. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your Xbox and go to the website of your chosen cloud gaming service. Log into your account, and then you can launch Genshin Impact directly. For the best possible performance and to minimize any input delay, we highly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection for your Xbox. This will provide a much more stable and responsive gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.